Hi and welcome to the Mancave project. So this is the final video in our tabletop pizza oven build. So in this video I'm going to be actually putting the pizza dome on top of the table that we've made. I've already stained it and we'll look at what needs to be done before we do our first cook, which hopefully will be in a few days' time. Right, so let's look at where we're up to. So I've stained the whole structure. I've put some caster wheels on the bottom, so 2 brakes on the front, 2 normal on the back. They're 100mm wheels, and they for a set of 4, so that's 2 braked and 2 non-braked. They were £8 on Temu, which I thought was really good value for money. So what we're going to do now is we're going to site this on top of our floor slab. We're going to do that with a sharp sand and cement mix. So I've just roughly marked where the outside of the pizza oven goes. First thing I want to do is just wet the area where the cement mix is going to go, otherwise it won't bond to the existing concrete mix. So this is a 3-to-1 mix, so I've got 3 sharp sand, 1 cement. Okay, so that's the, I get out the way, that's the pizza oven dome bedded onto this insulated floor. So next thing, wait for that to dry, paint that to try and blend that in, and then that's it all done. Right, so that's the main finishing touches done. Bedded in quite nice. Not too sure about extending the fake mortar line down to the bottom, but I'll have a look at that. I can always repaint it. So that's those casters. They're quite decent actually. Right, so that's the end of this video. In the next video I'm going to be doing a test cook, which I'm really looking forward to.